This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diana Germain. Enjoy this beautiful waterfront homesite overlooking Bennett's Creek. Enjoy your water view and Mother Nature at her best, or watch the boats go by on Bennett's Creek. Next to Bennett's Creek Park with free boat ramps that access the Nansemond River. Minutes to 664 and mm Tunnel. Come visit. Take I-64 to I-664. Exit 9A towards US 17 in/James River Bridge. Merge onto US 17 North, Bridge Road. Take 17 into Shoulders Hill Road. At light turn left and follow Shoulders Hill Road. At light turn right onto Bennett's Creek Park Road. Turn left onto Parkside Circle, then make an immediate right onto Parkside Circle, then left onto Gardenia Court, 3213 Gardenia.